Multiplication of two polynomials. How to multiply the polynomials? So already polynomials, brief discussion we have seen already. Now just we will see how to multiply. So before that, let me take two polynomials. Not only two, any number of polynomials you can multiply. First let us start with how to multiply just only two polynomials. Let p of x is x square minus 3x plus 4. Okay, this is the degree of the polynomial is 2. So this highest power is 2. We can, this is a quadratic equation also. And q of x is 3x minus 4 is a linear. Now we need to multiply this both, p of x into q of x. So there is a two ways. If you multiply with p of x to q of x, otherwise take q of x and multiply with p of x also same. Okay, 2 into 3 is equals to 3 into 2, right? So however you can multiply, you can take this and multiply to the second. I will take second and multiply the first, you will get the same. Now x square minus 3x plus 4 is the first expression. Second one is 3x minus 4. So if you notice here, the first expression we have three terms, 1, 2, 3. And second expression we have two terms. 3 into 2, 6 terms will come in the next step if we do. So for this, we should take the first term in the first expression, entire second expression multiply. That means x square will take. We should multiply this, the entire the remaining. That is 3x minus 4. Okay, first x square is taken. This entire second expression should multiply. Next with minus 3x. Okay, second one is minus 3x. No? Again with this entire the second expression. That is 3x minus 4. Okay, with minus 3x, we should multiply the entire second expression. And next is 4. That is plus 4. We'll take again this entire the second expression. That is 3x minus 4. This is the way. Instead of making simple mistake also, to get accurately, we can do in this way. We'll take each and every term, multiply the entire next expression. Now normal multiplication, x square into 3x. Okay, with x square into 3x and x square into minus 4 will multiply. So while I am doing x square into 3x is 3x cube. X square and 1x is there. Total x 3x cube. And plus into minus is minus. X square into 4 is 4x square. Okay, this is over. Now with minus 3x, these both. Minus 3x into 3x is minus 9x square. So instead of mistake means we should multiply the sign first, then followed by constant next to variable. Okay, minus into plus is minus, 3 3s are 9, x into x is x square. Now again minus into minus is a plus. Okay, 3 4s are 12, only x is there. Now next plus 4, with this also same, these both. 4 into 3x is a 12x, plus into minus is minus, 4 4 is 16. So in this step we will get total 6 terms, because here is a 3, here is a 2, 3 2 is a 6, 6 terms we got. Next we should add the like terms, same like a previous topic we discussed, addition, subtractions. Now 3x cube, x cube term is only 1, 3x cube. X square terms, if you notice, there are two are there, minus 4x square, minus 9x square. These two are the like terms. Okay, minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13x square. Next 12x plus 12x. So plus 24x. Minus 16 is only one number. Okay, this is the multiplication of polynomials. Any number of terms is given in any expression, we can do the same process. Let me show you one more example. Let us take the three polynomials. Not only 2, we can multiply 3 also. Let's take one is 2x minus 3 and x plus 4, 3x minus 1. These three are the binomials I need to multiply. So let us take, this is a A, B, C. So this is A of x, B of x, C of x. So let us take multiply A into B into C. That means we will write all together 2x minus 3 x plus 4 into 3x minus 1. Okay, this is nothing but A is nothing but I write is A of x is this, and B of x, this is C of x. Not only P, Q, R, you can take any letter, this in terms of x. So when you are multiplying this, first we should check first two. These two I'm going to multiply. Next, because when you are multiplying, any two only should take. So with the 2x, the entire second expression is x plus 4. And with the next term is minus 3, entire this x plus 4. Okay, whatever answer you get for this, will multiply with the second one. That is 3x minus 1. That is 3x minus 1 is as it is. Let's multiply this 2x into x. 2x square and 2x into 4 is 8x. Next with minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. After simplification we can find out the final. That is 2x square. X square term is only 1. But x terms there are 2. 8 plus 8 minus 3 is a plus 5x and minus 12. This is 3x minus 1. So in this way. Now again we take the first term and multiply this both. Take second term and multiply this both. Take third term and multiply this both. If you have practice, instead of writing that many brackets, just to keep in mind 2x square, multiply this both. Okay, 2x square into 3x. 2 3 is 6. X square into x is x cube. Direct I am taking. Plus into minus minus. 2x square into 1 is 2x square only, right? With this 2x square is over. Now next with plus 5x, again both the terms. 5 3 is 15 it is. Okay, plus into plus is plus. X into x is x square. Again 5x into minus 1. So minus 5x. Next with minus 12. Minus 12 into 3 is minus 36. X is there. It's same minus 12 into minus 1. So plus 12 it is. Okay, minus to minus plus. Let's simplify this only the final answer for this. 6x cube. X square terms 2 are there. Minus 2 plus 15. So plus 13x square. X terms there are 2. Minus 5 minus 36. Minus 41x and plus 12. Right. So the multiplication of the polynomials is very easy. Just only we should make 2 separately if there is more than 2 polynomials. Individually if you split and multiply without mistake you will get. If you practice you can do directly also. Okay, these are the multiplication of polynomials. Next let us see how to do divisions. So this topic onwards is very important. Next we will see how to do division of the polynomials.